I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster, Jurplastic World. Um, I've noticed that a lot of the people that have been seeing my videos really like the videos of the featuring something in a jar, which is really cool, like the dinosaur and all that. So I thought I would do a upgrade video on how these are made, other than a short, so that he gets a better idea. I have a longer video on there that if you really want to get into the whole step by step, it's there. So, and that's the alien in a jar, which is the one right here, which I'll be showing you in a minute. And there's a couple. I'm working on another alien in a jar too. So, but anyway, what I want to do is I've got a couple here. This guy here, if he's sitting right areas. Alien in a jar. This is a different one, and this is one I'll be working on soon. And I'll be able to make different covers and different systems for them that will glow differently. This one here, this is a zombie hand in a jar, which will be pretty cool. I'll show you that one a little more. And of course, my very first one was the alien in a jar, which is this one. If I don't knock my coffee over, this is the alien in a jar, which is really neat. And he changes color. It keeps changing as you notice. It'll change. And yeah, it's a really neat one. So I'll put him aside for a minute. And then there's this one. It's one of my favorites, actually. The dragon, he's in a jar. And what's really neat about the dragon is I have this actually up here, this remote control that can change all the colors. Uh, it's just green, orange. You can do just white. You can do different brightnesses, different patterns, and you can get this online, probably through whoever you feel. You just got to Google LED light with adjustments, and it's for crafts and stuff like that. So it's a really neat. It's hard to kind of see them in this light, but anyway, you can change. Like I said, you can change it any color you want, which is really neat. I like it progressive, and yeah. And I was going to show you another one here, and you can turn it off. So there's off. He'll sit in the jar like that by himself, and kids love them. Now the thing about these units is the bottles can vary in size, so you might want to have a micrometer to make sure that you keep an eye on the size, or a vernier caliper. Sorry, micrometer you could do for other parts, but this here is a vernier caliper, and you can get these for like $35 online, and it'll help you make sure you can print the right size to fit your project. Now my table's a bit of a mess. So basically you just need a few different parts to make these. And I've designed to make sure that these work out. This is actually a pop bottle size lid, basically. And the cord actually goes through that, but you still got to drill a hole through. You can put a hole through it in the program itself if you feel. I feel it's just easier to do that. And then you pick whatever you would like to be inside the jar. So it doesn't matter you could do little fairies, you could do spiders if you're into that, snakes. You could do Christmas trees, you could do Christmas ornaments, whatever you want. And then this unit here is printed separately. And I put the lid, of course, I popped the lid in, which it's in solid now. So then I can put whatever I want. Or during the season, whatever I want, I could change it. I could fill this up with leaves if I wanted to. I could fill it up with anything I want. And the light's already in it, basically. So that's what it would be. I would be able to do whatever I want. And there it is. So, and in the rest of the video, it shows you how to put it together or how to paint it. Steps are, and like I said, you can be as creative as you want. Okay, so I hope that video in a little more of a speed up will help you, and the introduction to it. And I hope you enjoyed that. And thanks for sticking around to this far. And like I said, there's other videos of these being done individually, and you can go back to them. One of them with the alien is a little bit longer, so it shows step by step. So if you really, really want to do one, that's the way you can do it. And go online and find different parts like I do, and then get creative. I made these up out of other parts and stuff like that, so that caught my eye, and that's how I started designing. So anyway, till the next video, be good.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.